Today, Southern Gardening is at the Flower Bed Nursery in Lumberton, Mississippi, admiring some beautiful Snaptastic Snapdragons. Annual Snapdragons love the cold fall, winter, and spring weather and come in a wide array of colors. Their colorful flower spikes are sure to brighten up any landscape. Snaptastic Red Snapdragons are an absolute marvel to behold. These gorgeous plants flaunt a vibrant, eye-catching appearance, thanks to their deep red petals that form the perfect contrast with their yellow centers. Snaptastic Yellow Snapdragons will definitely catch the eye of anyone who passes by with their bright yellow flower petals. The intense yellow color stands out against the backdrop of dark green foliage. Snaptastic Pink Snapdragons boast delicate pink flowers with yellow centers. The contrasting yellow centers adds to the beauty of these gorgeous plants. My absolute favorite Snaptastic Snapdragon is Orange Flame. Snaptastic Orange Flame has a fiery burst of orange flowers, each one edged with a bright yellow flame of color. It truly is a stunning sight to see. All of these Snapdragons usually grow up to 12 to 18 inches high and thrive in areas that receive full sun to partial shade. They are all incredibly easy to care for, making them a low-maintenance option for gardeners of all skill levels. Whether you are trying to add a pop of color to your landscape or a unique focal point, Snaptastic Snapdragons are the perfect choice. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.